Hello everyone, welcome to online class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Let's start our today's topic. But before that, a quick reminder to you, like, share and subscribe my channel for new notifications. Let's start our today's topic, that is more on Python. In this chapter, firstly we will learn about operator and types of operator. Let us understand operator. They are the special symbol which operate on a variable and constant to manipulate the data. Next term, operand. These are the object on which operator act upon. Let us understand these two with the example. 2 plus 4. Here, which operator is being used? Addition operator. Which operator I have used? Addition operator. Fine. And 2 and 4 are the operand. Next, 4 divided by 2. Here division operator is being used. Now, let us understand types of operators. So, the first type of operator is arithmetic operator. From the word, it is clear this operator is used for doing mathematical calculations. Now, let us understand. First one is addition operator. You are all familiar with this. Second, subtraction. Next one, multiplication. Next, division operator. This one, modulus operator. Please note it down. This is modulus operator. Okay. Now, let me explain you here difference between division and modulus operator. Look here everyone. Suppose I do 4 divided by 2. So the answer will be 2. Okay. But if I do 4 percentage 2, so the answer will come out to be 0. In Python, this percentage, this modulus operator calculate the remainder. I'll just show you with a simple 4. So it is completely dividing. So this operator give you the result of this question. And if you are using this operator, it is giving you this result, remainder. Okay. Fine. Now, what is this? This is exponential. Suppose you write 3 by 3 powers 2. Now, how to understand this? In Python, you will be writing 3 twice multiplication and then 2. So, this will give you the answer 9. This is what? Exponential operator. And this one will calculate the integer value. How? Suppose there is a division. Okay, you are doing a division. Only the integer part will be shown as an output. Now, the next second type of operator that we are going to learn is relational operator. Means this operator tell about the relationship between the two operands. Let's understand how. Another name of this operator is comparison operator. We generally use this type of operator to compare between two objects. Suppose we have two variables, say A and B. So we can use relational operator like A is greater than B to compare these two values. This one is equal to operator. Okay. In Python, this symbol denotes equal to operator and single equal to this one is assignment operator. We have learned about this in our previous chapter. What it does, assignment operator, assign value to the variable. For example, x equal to 4. So this is the use of assignment operator. But if two objects are equal, then this symbol is used. This is greater than, less than, okay. This is greater than or equal to, and this one is less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Fine. And if two quantities you are comparing is not equal to, then in Python, which symbol will you use? This one or this one? Both are correct. Suppose A equals to 4 and B equals to 5. Now you want to compare these two variables. So how can you use? A is not equal to B. This way we can write. Okay. Now the third type of operator is logical operator. There are three types of logical operator: AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. This logical operator is used to check conditional statements. How? Suppose I write A equals to 4 and B equals to say 3. Okay. Now what I did, A is greater than B. My first statement is this. And take one more variable, C equals to 1, like this. Okay. So my first statement is A greater than B and B greater than C. Okay. Now let us use AND operator first. AND logical operator. And B is greater than C. Now see here. A is greater than B. A is greater than B. A value is 4. Of course. So the statement is true. And next statement. B is greater than 3. So B is 3. Of course it is greater. So this statement is also true. What will be the output of this? True. So what does AND operator does? It will result output as true if both the statement are true. Then only output will be true. Now next, OR operator. A is greater than B or C is greater than B. Let's see. So A is greater than B. Yes, it is true. 4 is greater than 3 now. So it's true. C is greater than B. Is it? No. So the false. And since we are using a OR operator, so it will return true. If any one of the statement is true, the output is true. But if any one of the operator, any one of the statement is false, in case of AND operator, the output will not be true. Say, if you are using AND operator between the two statements, if both the statements are true, then only output is true. Otherwise, output will be false. Okay. Now coming to NOT operator. Suppose I write NOT A greater than B. So tell me what? 4 greater than 3. Okay. 4 is greater than 3 is true. But what will be the output? Not true. Means 4 greater than B is true now. So it will say false. Negative. It will reverse the output. Because of not operator, output is being reversed. If the output comes false, so what it will do? Not false means true, this way. Okay. Now let us understand order of precedence. Have you heard about BODMAS in mathematics? Means if two or more operators are being used in a single expression, so what will be the order of their calculation? Let us understand this with an example. A plus B into C. Okay. So if Python, how it will evaluate it? First, this multiplication. First, multiplication will evaluate it, then the addition. So I take an example, 2 plus 3 into 6. So first this will get calculated, after that addition. Things are not like that, ki this will calculate and then. So the way BODMAS is being followed, the similar way the order of precedence is being maintained in Python also for the calculation. In your book, there is a table. You please refer to understand in more how the order of precedence is being followed. Now let's talk about input statement. How input statement is being used in Python. There are two methods. First one is raw input. Second one is normal input function. This one, raw input, is used when we want a string value from the user. And this normal input function is used when we want a numeric value from the user. Now you can ask me, if we use raw input and ask the user for entering a numeric value, what will happen? Of course, you can do it. But Python interpreter will understand that numeric value as a string. Now what is this? You will not be able to perform any arithmetical operation on that operator, that number. Let me show you with an example. Suppose you are writing x equal to raw input, enter your name. What will be the output of this statement? Please see here. Enter your name. Very simple. You will be entering the name, like any name you entered, M. So this will be the output. Now, if we say x equal to raw input, enter a number. Fine. Second, again another variable you are using and you are writing raw input, enter another number. How the output will come? And here you are writing sum x plus y, this way. Okay. Print s. What we want? We want to print this summation. But look here, we are using raw input function. So how you will get the output? Please see here everyone. The thing will become crystal clear to you. So here Python will ask enter a number. You will be entering suppose 4. Second, enter another number. You will be entering 6. Now print s. What it should print? According to this, sum na x plus y sum. But since you have used this function raw input, so for Python this is a string. No addition operator will be performed now. It will just concatenate. Just what will be the output now? 4, 6. These two numbers will be printed. Okay. But now if you used int, what we are using? Int. Then Python will understand this as a numeric value. Again here also int. Okay. Now if we see the output, enter a number 4, enter another number 6. Now Python will take it as a numeric value and arithmetic operation can be performed. So according to this statement, addition will be done. So output is 10. Now I hope this two input function is clear. If you want to string as an input, we use normal raw input, and if you want any numeric value, then we use int raw input this way.